I had an interesting day today shopping for an item that is so very scarce these days. A picture postcard. I finally found some at Walmart. I had the feeling though that the sparse variety suggested that once these are gone, they will not be replaced. But I could be wrong. So, after shopping, I'm sitting in my car and I couldn't help but notice how windy it was and how beautiful the clouds were. I looked up high and what do I see? A painted sky, just for me. Okay, I'm not a poet, but it was a beautiful day. And on the ground, the smart birds. Yeah, they were smart alright because they decided not to fly today. Not to fight the wind. Not today anyway. So, what's the point of my story? I have no point. I just wanted to share a part of my day with you. Is that okay?